We are here at the West Wind Inn on Sanibel Island. Robert went inside to check us in. This is the first time we've ever stayed here. Looks interesting. Oh, they have a very nice lobby with lots of seashells. And I see we are still in a pandemic, so I don't know if you can see through the glass because of the glare, but they have plexiglass shields up to protect the clerks, and notice stay 6 feet apart, social distancing zone, only 4 people allowed at one time. Alright, so cool. This hotel just opened back up on the 15th of May, so it hasn't been open long. All the hotels were shut down middle of March due to the stay-at-home orders from the state and federal government, and now the Florida is in phase 1 of opening back up, or is it phase 2? I lose track of these phases. Every state's phase is different. The federal government is letting the states kind of do their own pace, and so Sanibel's hotels are allowed to operate at 50% capacity currently, and we had to fly to Orlando for some business, and so we decided to take a side trip to Sanibel for a couple days, and it looks pretty deserted. Anyway, Robert's checking us in, and we stopped by the grocery store in Fort Myers, and we plan on eating a lot in our room. We don't really plan on eating at any restaurants. Our hotel does have this restaurant called Normandy, and we can order some takeout. I think you can eat in it too. I think it's I don't know. Robert, that was quick. What?
Bikes are included.
Bikes are included. Yes, we're gonna go for a bike ride. Anyway, the pool bar is open.
Yeah.
And okay, so we got this little parking permit, which they have to because people have been illegally parking, and a little booklet of all the information,
And
a map of the resort. So is the pool open, did she say?
Yeah, the pool is open.
The pool is open.
And we're right there.
We are oh my God. So this is the lobby. We have a great view.
Yeah.
That is awesome. All right, let's go remove our car and unpack our groceries. All right, here is our room. It is a king suite. We have a small kitchenette, which we knew. That's why we stopped by the grocery store. I will do a grocery haul on a separate video. Got a bathroom. There's actually toiletries. I'm just surprised because I read that a lot of hotels were gonna get rid of toiletries. But I love collecting hotel toiletries, so I'm very happy they still have toiletries. Very nice room. First thing, Robert's always figures out the air conditioning unit. Nice king size bed, nice little table to eat on, and a great ocean view. Oh my God, look at that view. And look at that nice deck. Yay! I am extremely happy with this room. Yay! I got my New Kids on the Block t-shirts. Alright, Robert's gonna get the rest of the luggage, and then I will do a grocery haul. So, yeah, very happy with the room. Alright, that is our room 101. Have a little seating area, a little grill. We're gonna go get our luggage. Huge parking lot. They have a laundry room. They have soda machines. There's a lot more cars here than I expected. Some of them don't have parking permits, so that pretty much tells me they're not supposed to be here. But we have a parking permit. Our luggage, laundry room, cook machine. Alright, this is the beach. Our hotel room is down there. That's the pool over there. That's a brown rabbit. He's beautiful. Our rabbits at home are gray. It's a nice brown rabbit. I know, I get excited about the little things. I have like 20 rabbits in my yard, but Seeing one on vacation is better. Yeah, that's the pool, and the pool is open. So when Robert checked in, everything, he said we could rent. The pool bar is open. The pool is open. I see people at the pool, and we could rent. What do you call it? Umbrellas for the beach. We don't really sit on the beach, so it's not important to us. But here is the beach access from Western Inn. And there's another bunny. I swear, I will try not to bore you with bunny pictures this trip, but
Water's pretty clear.
look at that. Bunnies. I'm gonna show you, this is the Western Inn property. I'm gonna show you the pool real quick because it's getting ready to storm and no one's out. So I should get a good view of no one in the pool. So they do have a pool bar that is open from 11 to 7. And when you check in, you'll get a coupon booklet and you'll get buy one, get one free drink from the bar. So those are always fun. It is actually, actually a good coupon book. It had a lot of coupons for different hotels. The company that owns Western Inn also owns Tweens and something else. So they can give you deals for other hotels too, restaurants and stuff. So anyway, make sure you get a coupon book if you stay at this hotel. Baby pool, regular pool. It's actually very nice, and that's the pool bar. Plenty of seating. You can see it's all spaced out because remember, we're in a time of our lives where everyone has to social distance. So as you can see, each table only has one chair, and these chairs are 6 feet apart, or as best as they can be. So yes, social distancing is the new norm right now, and this hotel is doing a great job of maintaining it. And they have plenty of like sporty activities. They got shuffleboard right here, and then I think this is a washer set up over here. Shuffleboard. I know they have a tennis court somewhere because I have to find out where the tennis court is, because they said there's a shell washing station at the tennis court. Because they don't want you washing shells on your own. They want you to wash the tennis court. And there's the bunny. I'm trying not to disturb the bunny. So yeah, I'm really liking the grounds on this hotel. I like the grass. The Island Inn is nice. I've stayed there before. The whole grounds is like sand and stuff. So nothing wrong with some natural grass. So you can get the sand off your shoes pretty easily. And I'm going in. It's raining. It's Florida. It's gonna happen. Alright, this is gonna be a quick summary of the Western Inn. This is one of their entrances to the beach. There's 3 different ones spaced out on the property. I will have to say I loved Western Inn. It's my new favorite hotel here. I will definitely be staying here again. The property is magnificent. The employees are super nice, and we rarely had to walk far from the entrance. The beach right outside Western Inn had plenty of shells, and actually that's why we chose Western Inn, because we had known from previous walks we always seem to find the most shells near Western Inn. And look at all these shells right outside the entrance. So you can see there's people still on the beach. So yeah. Summary is I totally recommend Western Inn. The prices are reasonable, actually a little cheaper than the Island Inn. But nicer in my opinion. So I like the Island Inn too, don't get me wrong, but I will have to say the Western Inn is my new favorite. If you come to Sanibel, I highly recommend staying here. It's beautiful.